The signal is clear now. Google is falling behind in the AI race, and it just reshuffled DeepMind to do something about it. On August 5th, Demis Hassabis stepped down as CEO. He becomes chairman, and Koray Kavukcuoglu runs the lab day-to-day. Same week, Jeff Dean leaves after 27 years, with 3 more top Gemini researchers, to found a new AI science company. The market reacted instantly. Alphabet shares dropped 4 to 5% on the news. Here's the backstory. The flagship Gemini was supposed to ship in June. It didn't. The base model was scrapped and rebuilt after a coding stumble. Analysts put Gemini 6 to 12 months behind the frontier. Rivals ship, Google watches. That's the new complaint. The reshuffle puts research and product under one leader. The bet is simple: ship faster or stay behind. The Gemini flagship slips while rivals sprint. Subscribe. Daily AI